Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is Hindi cover page design. Draw the Hindi outline like this. I am using black color sketch pen for outline. If you want you can use any other colors. If you want you can use color pen, sketch pen, brush pen, marker pen, whatever you want. Draw like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Now I am using orange color brush pen. Draw like this. If you want you can use any other colors. I am using orange color brush pen. Draw like this. Fill this middle space with yellow color crayon. If you want you can use color pen, sketch pen, brush pen, marker pen, whatever you want. I am using crayon. Fill like this. Draw like this. Here I am drawing small butterfly. Draw the butterfly outline like this. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this new space with light blue color pencil. Fill like this.
Thank you so much for
Red color brush
watching.
pen.
Support me
Draw the
and
three
like,
lines like
share,
this.
and comment.